Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add to-do list on ClickUp. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your spaces. You just simply click on the plus icon over here and just simply create a folder over here. And let's say I'm going to go for project Z and click on create. And after that, you will have the first list over here on the left side. And right away, you will have to do over here. So if in order for you to change it, you can just simply double click on it. Let's say I'm going to go for let's do it just for example, guys, and just simply enter it, and you will have an option to save it on this list only, this folder, or entire workspace. So just simply click on save. You can just simply add a task over here. Let's say I'm going to go for task 1 and click on save, and you can just simply keep on going based on how many tasks that you will prefer. And if you want to go even detailed task, you can just simply click on it and you will have multiple options over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.